Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access. Make sure you have content ID or copyright match permissions and the original master files ready. Once logged into YouTube Studio, go straight to copyright, then copyright match. Do not wander through analytics first. Upload or link your reference video and add accurate metadata so matches are precise. You do this now because correct references and metadata speed detection and reduce false positives. Once saved, the system will start scanning recently uploaded public videos for potential matches. Once matches appear, open the matches queue and sort by confidence or newest uploads so you prioritize likely infringements. You should inspect each clip carefully. Play the match segment, compare timestamps, and check audio or visual similarity. Look for fair use indicators. Then choose an action, request removal, send a takedown, or contact the uploader with a claim. You can also ignore and document why. Make sure to add notes for your team and preserve evidence before taking enforcement steps. To finish, submit the chosen enforcement, takedown, claim, or contact request, and then monitor the uploader response and status changes in the tool. You need to keep meticulous logs, save timestamps, screenshots, and any DMCA notices in case of counterclaims. If a false match happens, promptly use the dispute flow and explain why. If necessary, refine your reference files and metadata and rescan to prevent repeats. One troubleshooting tip: clear ambiguous clips by adding contextual metadata or shorter clear reference segments for better precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.